See, she keeps trying to get across. Oh, she can do what she has to do.
Careful, Rexy, that's hot.
Another.
You know what? It's probably slippery.
It must run in the family.
No, it's not slippery. But that does. There's no
end.
no shallow piece there. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. They're probably used to going and sloping gradually like the egg.
Well, it didn't seem to bother her. She's fine. Oh, look, she got across. How'd she do that? I didn't even notice. She got across.
Rexy, where are you going? Rexy.
Boy, she really
Rexy,
likes
stay over
that.
here.
Look, she crossed. Now watch her go back. Boy, she's having fun, Dad.
Rexy, come here. Here, Mister, come on. Come on back. Come on, Mister. Up and over. Come on, Rexy.
You let him.